it's all about the estimation and then the approximation or percentage error. So it says that Zara is designing the bridge to cross the river, and she believes that it's approximately 53,620,000 kilograms, but the exact weight needed is 55,625,000 kilograms. So we need to find the percentage error. Now the percentage error is an equation that's given to you in the formula book. And it states that the error is the approximation minus the exact divided by the exact. And then we times that by 100 to get the percentage. And this is just taken as a absolute value, so we're not interested in the positive or negative. That just means whether it's an over or underestimate. So we're just going to fill that out with the information we were given. So the approximation is the 53,620,000, and the exact answer was the 55,625,000. So I'm just going to put this into my formula. And that will tell us what the percentage error is equal to. So we can do this on the calculator. So it's just 5,362,000 minus 55,625,000. We're dividing all of that answer by 55,625, so the exact answer. And then we're going to times that by 100. And as I say, we're not interested in the negative or the positive. That just means that the estimation was smaller than it should have been, which makes sense. 53 million rather than 55. But it's 3.6044, or to three significant figures, then the percentage error is 3.60%. Okay, and you can write too small. You don't need to. So yeah, it's up to you. You don't have to write too small, but it's the 3.60 to three significant figures. So for this one, there was a method mark given if you'd used the formula correctly, but you hadn't got the right answer. And then there's the answer mark, and you would have got two of those if you'd got it correct. And then the second part says that she's going to use that same design to build 5 identical bridges. So we need to work out how much it is to three significant figures. So for this one, we're taking the exact weight, so 55,625,000, and we're going to times it by 5. And we can just type that onto our calculator. And we're timesing it by 5 because we've got 5 bridges. And that gives us the 2,781,250,000, or 278,125,000 kilograms. And we want to write it to three significant figures. So that means that we are going to cut it off after the third place. So 278, and then we cut it off. Because the 1, we only look at the next figure, keeps it the same, we're actually going to keep it as 278. And then we put zeros in as our placeholders for everything else. And not forgetting your units there at the end. So it's 278 million to three significant figures. So for this one, it's 2 marks, and you should have included the units in there as well.